What are the various types of asset management systems? How is this technology evolving? How can they help operationalize a strategy for building optimized and sustainable business operations? These are a few of the questions I'll answer here. I'm Eric Libow, the CTO for Asset Management Solutions in IBM Sustainability Software. So let's start at the beginning. At its most basic form, an asset management system allows companies to manage data about their physical assets so they can monitor, measure, and maintain the equipment they need to operate their businesses. These systems appeared over 50 years ago, so companies could manage schedules and tasks for large maintenance projects in utilities, manufacturing, and transportation industries. These early systems focused on time-based scheduling, some asset information, and basic task management. They also supported field operations with location and maintenance information, ultimately leading to the adoption of mobile devices to do repeatable, basic maintenance and installation. They were considered maintenance project management applications. But very quickly, these maintenance management systems exploded with expanded data requirements tied to a broader set of needs. For example, from operational processes, repair instructions, warranties, safety processes, professional licenses and skills, financials, and so on. The result? The fully functional Enterprise Asset Management System, or EAM, was born. It includes integrated data models and prescriptive workflows, plus integrations with corporate ERP systems. EAM is now the industry standard for asset-intensive enterprises who need to maintain best-in-class return on those assets. For example, IBM Maximo customers have been able to reduce asset downtime over 43% and increase maintenance productivity 44%. But ultimately, companies needed to move beyond preventive and reactive maintenance, especially with asset downtime being so disruptive. So companies began instrumenting assets with software, sensors, and cameras to analyze the rich operating data in real time and leverage the cloud to manage the volumes of data being collected. Real-time data enables condition-based monitoring and predictive analytics to further reduce risk, increase asset uptime, and cut unnecessary labor costs and even track energy usage of assets. It's now possible to apply advanced statistical and analytical models and leverage AI technologies to more deeply understand asset performance. This approach, called Asset Performance Management, or APM, extends EAM capabilities with asset health, predictive maintenance, remote asset monitoring, and computer vision, using anomaly detection, visual and audio data analysis, etc. So assets are analyzed 24/7 to identify issues before they can negatively impact the business. Now, environmentally conscious companies are seeing research that shows that assets drive 76% of greenhouse gas emissions and believe that they need to play a bigger role in reducing their impact on our environment. They're looking to understand how greenhouse gases are created through the operation of assets. Then they'll be able to identify where excess emissions are occurring and can drive sustainability initiatives to reduce the impact of their operations on the environment. This approach is called sustainable asset management. It uses carbon management modeling to monitor waste and emissions, connecting asset management analytics and workflows focused on increasing the life of their operating assets, reducing energy consumption, and minimizing the fossil fuel use with best practice prescriptive guidance. Asset management systems have continually served as a foundation for solving big data issues for industrial companies. And clients are finding that sustainability challenge is no different. Getting a handle on the data is a critical first step, helping understand how, where, and by how much to transform operations to balance net income with net zero goals. I appreciate you joining me and hope you take time to learn more about how sustainable asset management can help your organization create more positive outcomes for the world around us. Thank you.